The new Zontes 368G integrated front and rear dual-camera driving recorder offers comprehensive coverage of your journey. Featuring 128 GB storage capacity, a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor for exceptional low-light performance, 1080p high-definition video quality, a 140-degree wide-angle lens, and an f1.8 aperture, the system captures crucial details in various riding conditions. Enjoy the benefits of advanced technology. As you can see from the recording in this video, from the front view of the motorcycle built-in camera, and the rear view is at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Its quality of 1080p camera allows a clear view of the vehicle number plate, either from the front or rear if you need to review or download any incident or accident when the time arises. The built-in cameras are equipped with sufficient stability, as shown in this video. Please enjoy the footage for a few more minutes and see its quality for you to compare if needed to. I have also compared its footage with Insta360 footage so as to have a rough gauge of 1080p quality versus a 4K Insta360 camera quality. For me, the 1080p camera is good enough. Do stay around as I will explain how to download the footage when I reach back to my car park.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. Drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. It was worth a try. At least it was worth a try.
Welcome back. This part of the video will teach you how to review and download the video you need. So turning on the bike TFT display first. So now, maneuver your toggle to your DVR display video recording settings to review all the recording in the system. You can choose the front camera or rear camera to review, and the date and time is clearer stated on the TFT display, and just click on the selected file to watch the footage before downloading it. There are two ways to review the footage. The first way is already shown to you now, and the second way is through your mobile phone Zone Test app. So turn on the Zontes app and go to DashCam. Refresh the page and wait for a few minutes, as sometimes it takes time for the video footage to appear in the app. There's front view and rear view, so selected the one you want to review from the mobile phone. There is a video download tab on the top right for you to select multiple files to download, as each footage camera every minute, and a maximum of 9 video footage can be downloaded at once. After selecting the files to download, there is another tab at the bottom that indicates Start Download. There will be a circle indicator to show that the video is being downloaded. Just wait patiently for all the selected videos to download completely, then turn off the motorbike TFT display. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Shark Vlogs, for more exciting vlogs, and follow my Instagram if you're interested to know more or plan for future trips with me.
Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I.